Federal aviation regulations require compliance with all crew member instructions by an information sign and posted placards. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the straps are tight. To release, just lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened lower tight across your lap, even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew member, tear open the pouch, remove the vest, and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, secure the buckle, and pull the strap in tight. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs and pulling into the tubes on both sides. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. Never inflate your vest inside the aircraft. This Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation sign that can be detached from the aircraft and used as a raft. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead. If necessary, floor level lighting will illuminate the aisle to help you find the exit.
No, I didn't really.
Please take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember it may be behind you.
10:30, but they're pretty much free. So
Okay, I have to look at my book.
if you could do that, so I could let them know.
Yeah, let me look at my book.
If there is a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull the mask toward you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and pull the elastic band around your head and tighten using the straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on first before helping others. We'll let you know when it's no longer needed. We will be passing through the cabin to make sure we are ready for departure. You can help us by making sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back and tray table are stowed, and all carry-on items are put away. If you have any questions about the safety features of this aircraft, please don't hesitate to ask. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight.